This is my favorite song in the whole wide world. You see it?
No.
And you know who got? You see it?
Far East Movement.
Rocketeer.
I don't know what the fuck that's
Mr.
like.
Cam got me on this song. The best science teacher in the world.
Who the fuck is that?
Science teacher. Hey. He made a slideshow for us. And this video is for everybody in 108, all the 8th graders. I miss you guys so much. And I miss... Well, I don't miss Ms. Johnson at all. I miss Mr. Acosta, Miss Laval. I miss Maylene, Eduardo, Ashley, Kami, Shania, Catherine, Tanya, Adrian, Martin, Alyssa, Kaniqua, Brittany, and Valdo's bitch ass. Damn, it's like 9 people and I can't even think about it. Eduardo, I think I just said that. Damn, I have so many 8th graders. Victor. Damn, oh my god. There's so many of y'all, but damn. Oscar, Christian. Who else? Kia Beck, Jennifer T, Jennifer A, Austin, Erica, Sandra.
So you gonna talk about your friends out this whole damn video?
Not the whole video. I mean, every time, just if I didn't say a name, just know I miss all you guys. But this video, I'm just making this video because I just finished watching the slideshow of prom senior trip, and I miss all you guys, and I still can't believe that we're still like going our separate ways. Like, it's crazy. But I know in 4 more years, when we go to college, we're gonna have a family reunion. All the 8th graders. So you need to come or be squared. Hey. I got bars, y'all. OD, what? Oh gosh. I don't know what to talk about anymore. It's so freaking hot. And it's 10:51. I'm about to break night with my diary, best friend, crush, and a whole bunch of others. And my little sister. And
I was about to fuck you up for a second.
So that's Tame, Aileen, Fab, and Ivy. And I mean, I've been doing a lot this summer. Going outside, going to see MB. Y'all already know.
Ray Ray's an ugly ass nigga.
Ray Ray is so sexy.
He's
not
ugly. He's ugly.
He is not
Princeton
sexy.
is better than him.
Okay, you
That's
think
sad.
Princeton, no. Princeton is the oldest, that's what. No, Paul.
That don't mean nothing. He's still cute.
Princeton's 16, but
The ugliest of the ugliest. Nah, Ray Ray's ugly. Just for all you Ray Ray fans.
He knows that I love him, but I want to give a shout out to everybody who graduated this year, going to college, going to high school. You know, we're doing big things, but I mean, I miss all you guys. Right, can't wait to see you guys again. And I guess that's it. Bye.
Yeah, I fuck Ray Ray. Peace.